Now that you've entered the contact information to your resume, you're ready to move to the next section, which you could call objective or perhaps summary. You could choose. So let's say that you want to use the section title of objective. You would come to the side of objective and click the green plus. And here you can change the name a little bit. You have options: career objective, employment objective, professional objective. And then you can simply type in your text. If you wanted to create a bulleted list, you have that option. But for your objective or your summary statement, I would recommend just a couple of sentences of text. So you're going to type that in. You're going to add objective. And now that will appear in the next section of your resume. Again, if you want to edit it, you're simply going to click the pencil here and you can adjust your text. If you want to update the section title, you can click the pencil. And if you ever decide that you want to delete it, you would simply click the red minus sign. And now that section has been removed from your resume. Let's say you wanted to call your section not objective, but summary, which is a perfectly valid option. The way you're going to do that in College Central Network, because summary is not an option to choose here for the title instead of objective, is you're going to come down to add a section optional at the bottom. We're going to click the green plus, and here for section name, we'll type in summary. And again, you can paste in your text. I've copied and pasted, or you can write it. We're going to add that section. And here it is. You should know that if you choose not to fill in a section like the objective section, that will not show on your final resume. You just simply won't see it. So what we've built so far is contact information and summary, or objective, if that's what you chose.